Hello, everyone. This is Smith-Rea again with another episode for the Power of Sound series. The purpose of the Power of Sound series is to show you how and to teach you to use sound, your own voice, to improve your health, your emotional stability, and to become a better person in this 5D world we're living in now. Toning will also help you focus your intentions and create the life that you desire. Today, we're going to work on self-esteem and confidence, and we're going to do that by toning the sound OH. O. Sit straight, take about 3 deep breaths, and tone O for about 5 minutes in the beginning. And after you have toned O, I want you to notice what physical or even emotional sensations you are experiencing. Is your back sitting a little straighter? Is your chest a little higher? Is your head a little higher? Do you have a little cramp here and there? O is the sound that is directly corresponding to the chakra, the third chakra, in the solar plexus. When you when you tone O, you're actually infusing that chakra with the energy of self-esteem. Once you have infused yourself spiritually, it will come out and show within your body, within yourself, physically and emotionally. It empowers you. So let's get started with O. It sounds like this. O. O. Feel it reverberating through your chest as your chest expands with pride. Oh, oh. You may be experiencing your back straightening itself, especially if you're one used to slouching over a computer like I am so regularly. But do this for about 5 minutes a day. When you're comfortable with it and you have the time, do it for 10 minutes. But after you have done your toning, still sit there for a few more minutes and notice how you feel physically and emotionally. There will be a difference. This is C. Smith-Rea, and you're watching The Power of Sound.